Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investment. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Subscribe to our podcast and click the link in the description to be able to get our digital course and ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. Whenever you're ready to start building your asset column and learn how to create sales on autopilot from digital assets that we control with our companies, then this ebook is for you. If you want to learn about systems, how to operate like the wealthy do, then this digital course is definitely a great fit because it's going to give you the different levels of investors, the different categories of investors. What is a master investor? The cash flow circle, the cash flow triangle, the cash flow system, how to launch our first multi-million-dollar business online, how to begin to invest in different asset classes to build passive income and capital gains income. We're going to learn the rules of money, how to create wealth successfully, okay, and create total freedom in our life by learning how to make money work hard through sound investing. Mastering the art of acquiring cash flow and assets. Today's golden rule is turn all capital into passive income and capital gains income. And all capital includes any type of debt, whether there's a credit card, a personal loan, that's money. We turn that into passive income and capital gains income through sound investing. And it's important that we invest in our financial education so that we have the information necessary to win in the asset class in which we're going to be investing in. Today's title is Navigating the Digital Landscape, Building Our Online Digital Marketing Business. I want to speak about a marketing business because it's something that people can get started with. There are a lot of great businesses out there that are wealthy and they're willing to pay companies to do their marketing because the wealthy people don't really want to know anything about coding, or not coding because we don't even need to know coding, but they don't want to learn about landing pages, leads, pay-per-lead, pay-per-click, Facebook ads, Google ads. They don't want to master that because they want to enjoy their time. It's all about their freedom and make more money through sound investing. So they will pay a lot of money for someone, a company, to handle the marketing for them. So I want to help you start raising capital by utilizing other people's systems and bringing in new clients into your network so that you can start getting in passive income and capital gains income. And remember, when we build a digital business where there's a marketing agency, we can put systems in place to help us, of course, run everything on autopilot. That's the whole purpose of a business. If it's not on autopilot, then it's not yet a successful business for us. It has to be on autopilot and it has to make money without us in order for that business to be able to say that is a true business, to be able to say that is a sound business. Then that business must make money without us having to be there to make the money because we have the systems in place. In today's interconnected world, the digital marketing industry presents a plethora of opportunities for entrepreneurs to thrive. With the increasing shift towards online commerce and the growing demand for digital advertising solutions, establishing a digital marketing business has never been more promising. In today's talk, we will explore the essential steps and strategies for building a successful digital marketing business online. Number one, identify our niche. Before diving into the digital marketing arena, it is crucial to identify our niche, consider our strengths, expertise, and passion areas within the landscape of digital marketing, whether we specialize in social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, or pay-per-click, PPC advertising. Carving out a niche allows us to focus our efforts and differentiate ourselves in a competitive market. Conduct market research to identify potential gaps or underserved segments with our chosen niche. Analyze industry trends, competitor strategies, and client needs to refine our business proposition and tailor our services to meet market demand effectively. Number two, build a brand and online presence. Establishing a strong brand presence is essential for attracting clients and building credibility in the digital marketing space. Develop a compelling brand identity that reflects our values, expertise, and unique selling proposition USP. Design a professional website that showcases our services, case studies, testimonials, and portfolio of work. Invest in search engine optimization to enhance our website's visibility and attract organic traffic. Leverage social media platforms to engage with our target audience, share valuable content, and showcase our expertise. Consistency and branding, messaging, and content across all digital channels reinforces our brand's authority and fosters trust among potential clients. Number 3, offer comprehensive services to meet the diverse needs of clients in the digital landscape. Offer a comprehensive range of services tailored to their specific objectives. This may include social media marketing. Develop target social media campaigns to increase brand awareness, engage audiences, and drive conversions on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Search engine optimization, SEO, optimize websites to improve search engine rankings, drive organic traffic, and enhance online visibility through keywords research, content optimization, and link building strategies. Content marketing, create high quality, relevant content that educates, entertains, and inspires our target audience across various formats, including blogs, videos, infographics, and ebooks. Email marketing, design personalized email campaigns to nurture leads, promote products or services, and foster customer loyalty through segmentation, automation, and analytics. Pay-per-click advertising. Manage PPC campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads to drive traffic that is targeted. Generate leads and maximize ROI or return on investment through keyword targeting, ad copy and optimization, and performance tracking. Number 4, provide exceptional client service. Delivering exceptional client service is paramount to building long-term relationships and securing repeat business in the digital marketing industry. Prioritize clear communication, transparency, and responsiveness throughout the client engagement process. Understand our clients' goals, challenges, and expectations to tailor our strategies and deliver measurable results. Regularly communicate progress updates, provide detailed reports, and solicit feedback to ensure client satisfaction and foster trust. Additionally, go above and beyond to add value to our client relationships by offering strategic insights, proactive recommendations, and ongoing support. Building a reputation for reliability, integrity, and expertise will position our digital marketing business for sustained growth and success. Number 5, stay ahead of trends and innovations. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving with new technologies, platforms, and trends emerging at a rapid pace. Stay abreast of industry developments, attend conferences, participate in webinars, and engage in continuous learning to stay ahead of the curve. Experiment with emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, augmented reality, and voice search optimizations to stay competitive and offer innovative solutions to our clients. Embrace agility and adaptability as core principles of our business strategy, allowing us to pivot quickly in response to changing market dynamics and client needs. In conclusion, building a successful digital marketing business online requires a combination of strategic planning, creativity, and relentless execution. By identifying our niche, building a strong brand presence, offering comprehensive services, providing exceptional client service, and staying ahead of trends and innovations, we can position our business for long-term success in the dynamic digital landscape. With dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence, we can turn our entrepreneur vision into a thriving reality in the exciting world of digital marketing. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk. Let me know if you have any feedback. Write it down in the chat box. And if you have any questions, put it there. I'll come back and answer any question. Make sure you join our inner circle. Click the link in the description. And remember, to start building wealth online, you need to focus on that asset column. What is going to be your first asset that you will acquire next? Okay, that's the question. How are you going to make money moving forward the wealthy way? How are you going to position yourself with a system of systems that will do the selling and telling for you? on autopilot. While you're taking a shower, you're making money. While we're eating, we're making money, right? Because our systems are producing passive income and capital gains income. It's constantly delivering a solution to the world. And we're enjoying our time because that's what we're doing to solve problems. And then as a reward, we get total freedom so that we can focus on the things that are the most important for us. Start investing in your financial education. We're doing a live stream on our YouTube every single day. I want to invite you over there so that you can have access to more content that will change your life financially for the better. Starting today, you can begin to think like the wealthy do and operate with the wealthy mindset by applying simple strategies and habits that a master investor should adopt, right? And live by it. It's a lifestyle. Remember the 3 E's of a master investor. Financial education is one, financial experience is the other one, and the last one is excess of positive cash flow. So number 1, financial education. Number 2, financial experience. Number 3, excess of positive cash flow. That's when we know we're a master investor, because we're living and thriving through the passive income and capital gains income from our asset column. Our bills are being paid, our liabilities, expense are being paid with that income that is coming from the asset column. We don't work at a job to have earned income, and we don't focus on building that type of income because we want total freedom. And the way to have total freedom is by focusing on that asset column. Bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Start investing in your financial education today and begin to build the asset column with real assets. Today we have so much information, tools, resources, systems available to create wealth fast. If we're doing it slow, then I would say it's not being done the best way, right? Because the tools are here in front of us. Take advantage of everything that we have and begin to create wealth fast. Get involved with the right communities, listen to the right mentors, but we need to take massive action. That's how we turn information into knowledge. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. I'll talk to you on the next podcast. Bye for now.